Hi, can I help you? Oh, okay.
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
يعني دولي Ma! Who's your best friend? Yes!
Say bitch ass nigga. Say it. Say it. Say it. You can say it.
Go close the door. God damn.
What is wrong with you, girl? Thank you, Artie. You was a good girl.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Stop barking at him. He is a veteran.
Here you go, Rack.